Over half of the world's cities are built around major water features, estuaries, confluences of rivers. Today, these cities are exploding. More than half the world's population is living in the cities. Most of them are on these water features. How can we expect people to make good choices about environmental policy and protect and preserve our precious environment when we're so far removed from those natural processes which really make all life on Earth possible? What we're trying to do with our work at Biomatrix is create an opportunity for people to reconnect with the natural world right in the places where they live.
There's usually, in many cities around the world, a lot of water space, and it's underutilized. Often the waterways are hard-edged, they're sheet pile or concrete, and it's very hard for nature to be able to take hold. And what nature actually needs is to have texture, and it needs to have moisture. And so we create a substrate which is engineered to last, and then it's planted with a living ecology. And this provides both a matrix of roots underneath for microorganisms and biofilm communities to be able to flourish and to help to improve the quality of the water. And then above, the plants grow up and they're beautiful. Our systems are modular and they can easily adapt. We can create thousands of different shapes, and they can go into the waterway and rise and fall with the changing water level. So they're very flexible.
The water was quite a dead space here actually. It's quite sterile and really underused and quite neglected, build-up of litter and the like. And what the floating islands have done is really help to animate the space. So it really is about trying to improve the quality and function of the landscape.
Natural wetland water systems have been purifying the Earth's water for millennia. Nobody would be surviving if nature didn't have the capacity to restore, revitalize, and purify and cleanse water. The Living Water Cities project is really a network of people who recognize that their urban waterways are an incredible opportunity to create these thriving habitats right within the city.
The wildlife has multiplied, it's become more diverse and more abundant. It's fantastic. It's a little bit like living in the countryside.
It's exciting to see the species that come back once there is a place for them. We like to imagine a network of living water cities.
It's a massive thing for well-being to have that connection with nature. People are becoming a lot more aware about those kind of principles and visit areas where they will get more of a holistic, more sustainable lifestyle really.
It's impossible to underestimate the value that being around green, living environments brings to our lives.
Nature is there and it's just waiting for us to give it a toehold so that it can thrive.